Okay everybody, Steve Richmond here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, and I'm here to talk to you today about, no, not about that, about this 270 Boston Whaler Dauntless. Perfect combination of a fishing and family boat. Let's go take a look. A few things I really like about this boat. One is the engine options. This has got the dual 200 Mercuries, super quiet. I mean, whisper quiet and idle, you can't even hear them running. You've also got an option of twin 225s or a single 350. Three things I really like about this boat. Number one is this huge rear seat. Heavy duty hardware. I mean, this thing's not going anywhere. Makes it super comfortable, especially if you don't want to be up front. Maybe it's a little chilly, windy, or wet. You can come back here. Look, it's a little rainy. Come on back here. The other thing I really like is this swim platform. It's not called a tuna door or dive door. It's an actual swim platform. You could use it for those things. But it is super wide, lays down at water level, and it's a swim platform. The third thing I like a lot about this boat, there's a lot of things, but the third big thing is right up here. You've got storage compartment under this lounger. So you've got a lounge with fold down armrests and then a storage compartment that's huge for a boat this size. Of course, the other features, great for folks that are up here having a good time, getting out in the sun and relaxing. It's a fantastic boat, the unsinkable legend, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. This is a Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. My name's Steve. Give me a call, 850-358-0908. Talk to you soon.